Brad Hall here, the kind people at Adidas. They sent me this big package in front of me. I was not expecting it, and I am very excited to open it up, so I am gonna take you along on that ride. Thank you, Adidas, for sending me this. I really appreciate it. And thank you for tuning in. This is what's in this box, and if you haven't seen the show yet, it's a show where I try to guess what's in a package, and then we figure out if I'm right or if I'm wrong. So far, my lifetime record on this show is 0 for 1. Today is a huge day. I have a chance to get back to 500. So there is a lot riding on me guessing what's inside of this. If you do want to play along at home, something you should know about this box, it is on the heavy side. I don't think it's a prime knit and boost lightweight running shoe. Keep that in mind if you're gonna make a guess at home. Since the box has a decent amount of weight, I was thinking maybe a more substantial shoe. James Harden has a brand new shoe coming out soon. That shoe looks nice and supportive, so maybe that's inside here. One of my guesses on the last episode was a special Brad Hall edition of the Ultra Boost. I think this is probably too heavy to be that shoe, but I do think it could be that Brad Hall Ultra Boost plus a really cool promotional item. Maybe it is another Pharrell NMD, but they wanted to throw me off, so they added some weight to the packaging. So of those three, my final prediction is that James Harden shoe. So let's see if I'm right. I'm not looking down. I'm feeling. Something's moving. I got some literature. So this is the very first thing in the box. You see the Adidas logo. You see the Pharrell logo. I'm already not feeling very confident about my prediction. This is very exciting. A very nice shirt, and then this really heavyweight sweatshirt. There is a lot in here, so bear with me. Next thing is coming out, and it is a box, and before we get to that, there's actually one more box in here. We are gonna find out about both of those right now. We are gonna pop the lid on it, see what is hiding underneath. And look at this. This looks very nice to me. Oh yeah. Look at this. It is a slide, and it's got boost cushioning on the slide. It says human race right across that strap. It's the chancleta. Just pressing in with my fingers, it feels like it's gonna be really comfortable. This is gonna be great around the house. So very excited about that. And I'm very excited to open the second box. I did not read the tag on the side. I wanna be surprised as I pop that lid. And look at this, the Pharrell Solar HU in all black, a very sleek looking shoe. You've got that HU on the toe box. You've got that boost midsole covered in black. You can see in the laces, there is some reflective thread. Let me slide one on just to show you. So here is an on-foot look at the Solar HU in this very sleek black colorway. Very cool looking shoe. There's a nice shot of that sole. So how did I do on this episode? I of course guessed the James Harden shoe. It was not that shoe, so I got it wrong. I am now 0 for 2 on this show, but I hope there are gonna be some more episodes so I can try to get it going, try to get on a hot streak. Happy holidays, everyone, and thanks for watching.